Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Karuna Devi, the teacher of JDC Bitco English Medium High School from Nasik Road, welcomes you in the e-learning program of Gokul Education Society for the year 2020-21. Students, once again, I am here for the 8th Standard Mathematics of State Board for English Medium students. Friends, in our last lecture, we have already started our unit number 16, that was surface area and volume. In that, we have learned about cuboid and cube. But here is time to go ahead and to learn about cylinder in our today's video. So without wasting our time, let's start it. So students, today we are going to learn about the cylinder. Suppose this is one of the figure of cylinder. Actually, cylinder is made up of three different surfaces. Base surface, the upper one surface, which is in circular shape, and it also has the curved surface. If we look towards the examples, then solid pipe, ball, paints refill, road roller, coins or any other container are the examples of cylinder. Let's see how to find out the surface area of a cylinder. For that, here I have taken a cylinder shaped container, as well as I have also taken a rectangular gift paper whose breadth is equal to the height of the container. Now I am going to wrap this paper around the container in such a way that it will exactly cover the curved surface area of the container. Let's see. Now here I am going to cut off this remaining paper. Now like this way I have wrapped the gift paper around the container. If you will observe the container carefully, then you can come to know that the upper one area and the downer one circular area of the container is still remain. Now I am going to unwrap this cover paper. So if you will observe this paper, then you can come to know that this paper is having the shape of rectangle. So it means that the area of rectangle is equal to the curved surface area of the cylinder. Students, here it also means that the length of the rectangle is equal to the circumference of the circle and the breadth of the rectangle is equal to the height of the cylinder. So from this information we can easily find out the curved surface area of the cylinder. Let's see it. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Students, here length it means the circumference of the base of the cylinder, which is nothing but this one, and its breadth it means the height of the cylinder. Got it, students? Therefore, the circumference of the base of cylinder it means the 2 pi r, and that we are going to multiply with the height, it means the h. Therefore, the curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. So this is nothing but the formula of curved surface area of cylinder. So write it properly and learn it. Now students, from previous formula we can come to know how to find out the area of circumference of the cylinder. But what about the upper and the downer one section of the cylinder? The upper and the lower surface of the closed cylinder is circular one. You can easily see that, right? So it means area of this circle is the area of the upper section, the area of this downer section is the area of downer section. So from this information we can able to find out the area of total container. Therefore, the total surface area of closed cylinder is equal to curved surface area plus area of upper surface plus area of downer surface. Let's write it. total surface area of closed cylinder is equal to curved surface area plus area of upper surface plus area of lower surface. Therefore, students, total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus 2 into area of circular faces, both upper and the downer one. That's why we have taken here 2 multiply with the area of circular faces. If we will put the value properly, then we can write the curved surface area, which we know that is 2 pi RH plus 2 multiply with area of circular face. The area of circle is pi r square. Yes, students? Now let's take out the 2 pi r common from both the terms. So 2 pi r into bracket h from first section and r from second section. So h plus r in bracket. So this is the formula. Let's revise it again. Total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into bracket h plus r, bracket complete. Got it, students? Hence, students, like this way today we have learned this two formula, that is curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH and total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into bracket h plus r, bracket complete. So without wasting our time, let's use this formula to solve practice set number 16.2, which is given on the page number 110 and 111. Let's go ahead. Let's see the first question. In each example given below, radius of base of cylinder and its height are given. Then find the curved surface area and total surface area. Here it means we have to use both the formula. Let's see the first example. Here our radius is 7 cm and height of cylinder is given, that is 10 cm. Now let's use the formula. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Let's put this value into the formula. As here 2 will be as it is, the symbol between 2 and pi is multiplications. That's why we have written here multiply. Now the value of pi is 22 upon 7. Multiply with r. R, it means radius is 7 cm. That's why we have written 7. And h is 10 cm. So multiply with 10. If we'll do the calculation, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, whatever is remaining, if we'll multiply with the three numbers, then we got the answer, that is 440 square centimeter. As this is the area, that's why we have written here square and the values are given in centimeter. That's why the total unit is square centimeter. This is nothing but the curved surface area of the cylinder. Now students, here we have to find out the total surface area. So let's write the formula. Total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into bracket r plus h, bracket complete. Let's put the values here. 2 multiply with pi's value is 22 upon 7. R is multiply with 7 into bracket r plus h, 7 plus 10, bracket complete. Now students, here we have to, in the next step, we have to do the addition of these two numbers. But before that, we can cancel this 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Let's write whatever is remaining. That is 2 into 22. It means 44. Multiply with 7 plus 10, 17. Got it, students? If we'll do the calculation, then we got the answer, that is 748 square centimeter. As once again, it's the total surface area. That's why we have written the unit square centimeter. At last, we have to write the answer into the words, that is curved surface area of cylinder is 440 square centimeter and total surface area of cylinder is 748 square centimeter. Got it, students? Take out the screenshot, write it systematically in your classwork notebook. Let's take one more example from question number 1. Here the last question, it means question number 5th is there, that is the radius of the cylinder is 4.2 centimeter and its height is 14 centimeter. As it is one of the decimal number is there, but don't worry, it's very easy one. Let's write the curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. This is nothing but the formula. Let's put the values into the formula. 2 will be as it is, value of pi 22 upon 7, multiply with r, it means radius 4.2 centimeter, multiply with 14, which is our height. Now students, here instead of the 42 we can easily cut this 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. If you will do the calculation properly, 2 multiply with 22, the answer will be 44. 44 multiply with 2, the answer will be 88. The remaining 4.2 will be as it is. We will do the calculation, then we got the answer, that is 369.6 square centimeter. This is nothing but the curved surface area of the cylinder. Now let's find out the total surface area. Before that we have to write the formula. Total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. Let's put the values. 2 will be as it is, multiply with pi, it means 22 upon 7, multiply with r, it means 4.2, which is given here only, and into bracket we have to write 4.2 plus 14, that is nothing but the r and h, addition of these two numbers. Now students, if we will do the calculation, then we got it, 7 ones are 7, 7 0.6, that answer will be here. 2 into 22, answer will be 44, multiply with 0.6, and addition of these two numbers is here. If you will do the calculation, we got the answer, that is 480.48 square centimeter. This is nothing but the total surface area of the cylinder. Let's write the answer in words. That is, curved surface area of cylinder is 369.6 square centimeter and total surface area of the cylinder is 480.48 square centimeter. Take out the screenshot and write it systematically in your classwork notebook. Now students, without wasting our time, let's go towards the question number 2. Find the total surface area of closed cylindrical drum. If its diameter is 50 centimeter. Now students, here they have given us the diameter, and from the diameter we have to find out the radius, and then only we can able to calculate the total surface area. And its height is 45 centimeter. But students, here in the bracket they have given us the instruction, that is pi, it means 3.14 centimeter. Generally the value of pi we are using, that is 22 upon 7. But here for this question, instead of this value we have to use, that is 3.14. Got it students? Let's solve the question. Now students, in the answer, at first we have to write what is given into the question, that is diameter of the closed cylindrical drum is 15 centimeter, right? Now let's convert this diameter into radius. So its radius is equal to 25 centimeter, which is just half of diameter. And what is the height? The height of drum is 45 centimeter. Let's put the formula. Total surface area of closed cylindrical drum is equal to 2 pi r into bracket r plus h, bracket complete. Let's put the values inside that. 2 will be as it is, multiply with pi. Here according to the question we have to use the value of pi, that is 3.14, multiply with r, which is 25 centimeter, into bracket r plus h, it means 25 plus 45. Let's do the calculation. Solve the bracket at first. Addition of these two numbers will be 70. The rest of the numbers will be as it is. If we will do the calculation, then we got the answer, that is 10,990 centimeter square. At last we have to write the answer in words, that is total surface area of closed cylindrical drum is 10,990. So students, write the answer systematically in your notebook. Now students, let's move towards the page number 111, where we are having question number 3 and 4. Among that, the third one is easy one, so you can definitely able to do that. Let's go towards the question number 4. Find the area of the sheet required to make a cylindrical container which is open at one side and whose diameter is 28 centimeter. Suppose one of the type of the cylindrical container which is closed at down and from one side it is open. It means if we'll calculate the total surface area, then at that time we have to look towards the circumference of the circle. It means curved surface area and towards only the downer one area, not to the upper one section which is open only. Got it, students? Let's see what is given else. Diameter is 28 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. So its total diameter is 28 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. Find the approximate area of the sheet required to make a lead of a height of 2 centimeter for this container. It means we have to make a paper lead over this container which height is 2 centimeter. So this one is 2 centimeter lead we have to prepare with the sheet. That we have to find out from this example. So let's see the answer. Students, here at first we have to write what is given into the question, that is diameter of the container is 28 centimeter. Its radius will be just half of that, so it will be 14 centimeter, and height is given which is 20 centimeter. Okay. Now students, let's find out the area of the sheet which is required to make the lead. So area of the sheet required to make the container's lead. For that we have to look towards the curved surface area and the downer one section only, not towards the upper one section. So curved surface area of the container plus area of the base of the container. That only two things we are going to include for the area of the sheet required to make the container. Let's put the value. Area of curved surface container, that we know, that is 2 pi RH plus area of that base which is in circular, that's why we have written here the area of circle, that is pi r square. Let's put the values. Here from this we can take out the pi r from common, that is from this section pi and r will be here. What is remaining? 2 and h, that we are going to write here, plus symbol will be as it is. From this term the pi and single r is given here as a common, and the one remaining r that we have to write here and close the term. At last we have to put the values. Value of pi will be 22 upon 7, r is 14 that we have written into the bracket, 2 will be as it is, multiply the symbol between 2 and h will be multiplication. So multiply with 20 because h is, it means height is 20 centimeter plus r is 14 centimeter. Let's close the bracket. Now here we can cut out this 14, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Now in next step, 22 into 2, 44 will be as it is, multiply with 2 into 20, 40 plus 14, bracket complete. 44 into 54, 54 is the addition of these two number. If we'll do the calculation, then we got the answer, that is 2376 square centimeter. As this is nothing but the area of the sheet required to make the container. So students, here it means that this is the area of the sheet which is required to make the container. But here now we have to think about the lead also, as we have to prepare the lead which is having the 2 centimeter height. Okay, so let's do it. So let's write what we know about the lead, that is the height of the cylindrical lead will be h1, so that is 2 centimeter. Now students, let's calculate the area of the sheet which is required for making the lead. Therefore, approximate area of sheet required to make a lead of height of 2 centimeter. So as the lead is also having a circular structure and curved surface, so for that we have to write the area of curved surface plus the area of upper one section of the lead which is in circular. So it means the area of curved surface, that is 2 pi RH plus circular upper section, that is pi r square. Let's write it properly. 2 will be as it is, multiply with pi value, that is 22/7, multiply with r, which is of 14 centimeter, multiply with h, which is 2 centimeter. Just now only we have written that. Now plus symbol will be here. Value of pi will be 22/7, multiply with r square. R it means radius. That will be 14 into 14. Let's do the calculation. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Now let's do the remaining calculation. Then we got the answer. The answer of this one section is 176. Plus symbol will be as it is, and the calculation of this remaining section will be 616. Let's do the addition. That is 792 square centimeter. So this is nothing but the approximate area of the sheet which is required to prepare the lid. Let's write the answer in words. That is, area of the sheet required to make the container is 2376 square centimeter, and the approximate area of the sheet required to make the lid, that is 792 square centimeter. Got it, students? So this is nothing but the complete answer of the question number 4. So write it systematically in your classwork notebook. So like this way our practice set number 16.2 is over. So students, here is time to note down your homework, that is to complete the practice set number 16.2 in your classwork notebook. I will come again with our next video to learn about the volume of cylinder. Children, till then, update your notebook. Take care.